Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make Sparkchart in Google Sheets. So in here, I already have some data and I want to make this a Sparkchart from this data. So what you need to do is just use the Sparkline function. So in here, I'm going to just type in Sparkline, and then here blocks the cells that you want to extract its data, and then comma, and here put this I don't know what it's called, curly parenthesis, and then double quotation chart type, and then double quotation again, comma, and then here you just need to choose the spark chart or the type of chart that you want to use. For example, I want to use column, so double quotation again, and then close it with the curly again, and then close it with the usual parenthesis, and then just click on enter. Then the sparkline will be created, and you can just double click to create the rest of the data. Okay, so that's pretty easy. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below and like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye bye.